So there are going to be times when you'd like to add a new page to your Google site, and I know a lot of you are going to be adding author's letters to your thumbprint site. So I'm going to use that as an example, but keep in mind that this works no matter what Google site you're talking about. It's going to take two steps to add the page. First is adding the page itself and putting what you need on the page, and the second part of it is going to be creating links that get you to where you want to go. So let's create the page first. To do that, it's pretty easy. There's a Create Page button right on any of the pages on your Google site, so we'll click on that. And then we have to pick the template to use. If it's a standard web page, that's already selected. You know it's selected because it's highlighted here. There's also announcement pages, a filing cabinet where you can upload files and store them on your page. That's what we'll be using for the author's letter. List format or start page. Again, in our case, we're going to do filing cabinet. And now you got to name it something. I'm going to call it portfolio so that I can include other stuff if I want to my thumbprint. And now I have to decide where to put it. I'm going to put it right under the home page. So it's under Home, Portfolio. And notice that we have changed the location, the URL of our page to include Home and Portfolio underneath there. Once I'm ready, I can go ahead and click on Create Page. And then it'll bring me to the new page. So here's my portfolio page. To add content to it is pretty easy. All I have to do is go and click on Add File, and then it's asking me where I want to add it from, either upload it from my computer or paste it from the web. So I'm going to click on Browse here, and there's my author's letter. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then do Open. And I can put in a file description if I want to. I'm sure you'll do a much better description than me. Then click on Upload. So there it is. Notice it looks a little strange here. I don't like this. You see the author and that. It's because it doesn't like the apostrophe that's in there. Let's see what happens if I go in here and save that. That's a little bit better. Notice that it says version 2 is there now. And as far as this goes, if I want to open it up, I can click on Download and download it. And there, it's looking okay. So that's fine. Let me cancel out of here. All right, so my page is created. That step is done. Now what I want to do is I want to include it on my home page so I can get to it. So I'm going to go back to the home page, click on Home right here, and then I'm going to edit this page. So now instead of just viewing it, I have the whole toolbar to edit it and make changes to it. So I have my prompts here. I have for general thumbprint, comments, and feedback. And then I'm going to go underneath that and I'm going to hit enter a few times. And this is the indent. I'm going to remove the indent, move that back a little bit. And now I'm going to put in a link by clicking on Link. And it says, okay, do you want to link to an existing page? And here it is, the portfolio page. I'm going to pick that. There's my check box. You can have it open in a new window if you check that off. I think we're fine doing it that way. I'm going to click OK. And now that I have that there, I can select that, go up and make it a little bit larger. Let's make it 12 points. Make it a little bit larger. I'll make it 16 points and make it bold. Then when I'm done, I can save it. So now, right on my thumbprint site, I have my portfolio. When I click on that link, it brings me to my portfolio page, which is right here, so I can upload and download any files to add to my thumbprint. And that's as easy as it is.